In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Shopify Admin Dashboard. Whether you're a new user or a seasoned expert wanting a refresher, this guide will help you navigate your way effortlessly into the heart of your Shopify store. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. Simply type shopify.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the home page. You should see a Login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click that. You'll be taken to a login page where you need to enter your email address. Make sure it's the email you used to sign up for your Shopify account. Double check for typos to avoid any login issues. Now, after entering your email, click on Next. An important thing to note here is the security of your password. Ensure your password is strong and unique, combining upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Once your password is entered, click Login. If you've entered everything correctly, you'll be directed right into your Shopify Admin Dashboard. In some cases, you might have set up two-step authentication for an extra layer of security. If so, make sure your authentication device is ready. A prompt will ask you to enter the authentication code. This is usually a 6-digit code sent to your mobile device or authenticator app. Enter the code and then click Submit. This step is crucial for keeping your store secure, so we highly recommend setting it up if you haven't already done so. As soon as you log in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify Admin Dashboard. It's a comprehensive control center for running your online store. On the dashboard's main page, you have an at-a-glance summary of your store's activity. This includes recent sales figures, customer activity, and any important notifications that might need your attention. On the left-hand side, you'll notice the navigation panel. This is where you can access different sections of your Shopify store, like orders, products, customers, analytics, and marketing tools. Each section is pivotal in managing your business efficiently, allowing you to toggle between various tasks seamlessly. Familiarizing yourself with this panel is key to running your store effectively. Exploring the dashboard further, you can customize the layout to suit your preferences. Look for customization options that let you arrange widgets the way you like, ensuring the most critical information is always front and center. Before we wrap up, let's discuss how important it is to log out at the end of your session, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. To log out, click on the account icon located usually at the top right corner of your dashboard and select the Logout option. This step is quick but essential in keeping your account and sensitive store information secure. That concludes our detailed walkthrough of accessing the Shopify Admin Dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.